I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Danny Simone, the real Danny Simone.
Period.
Back with another video, and I already know I don't need y'all to say it, but we're gonna address the elephant in the room. I have been missing from YouTube for like going on 2 months now. So let's talk about it real quick. My job offered more overtime. Y'all know I got a birthday coming up. Well, if you've been around for a minute. For those of you who don't know, my birthday is March 31st. I feel like I've been busting my ass and I feel like I deserve to treat myself to something for my birthday this year. So at this moment, I'm just trying to get to the bag. That being said, that's why y'all have not seen or heard from me, okay? I have been sick for the past 2 weeks as well. For those of you who don't know, I do have an autoimmune disorder called mixed connective tissue disease, and I don't ever really get sick, but when I do, they definitely be having your girl down for the count, okay? So there is all of that. Y'all know we keep it real on this channel, and I'm very transparent, so I felt like I owed y'all that. So today, one thing I don't do is fake the funk. The house itself is in pristine condition. However, there's one room in this house that I am extremely ashamed of, and I really hate to have any kind of affiliation to in its current state. That's my teenage son's room. It took a lot for me to get to a point of feeling like I wanted to post this because it's rather embarrassing. Me being who I am, I feel like, you know, everything that my children do speaks about my parenting. However, I also had to realize that my son is 17 and he is fully aware of everything that he does, and he wakes up every day and chooses to live in this environment. Now, y'all have seen my house. Y'all see I don't play that, and the aura is always tea, right? I don't know where he gets this from because clearly he was not raised in that kind of environment. I am leaning more towards some sort of maybe mental health issue of some sort that we are currently exploring. I know there's going to be some people who do understand but still feel the need to pass judgment because it makes them feel better about their current circumstances. Y'all know I ain't here for none of that, and never did I care, and never am I worried. So let's just throw that out there.
Period.
My son's room is disgusting, okay? Y'all know how teenagers get down. They can be very well mannered and well behaved and all of the things, but they keep a nasty ass room. We do have dogs. Y'all already knew about 2. We got another one. So now we got 3. Working all the overtime I've been working and being as sick as I have been for the past few months, I have not necessarily been up on my game. Accountability is everything, okay? As I should, as far as keeping him groomed. So he has been shedding like hell, okay? That being said, my son's room is infested with dog hair. It's on his clothes. I don't care how many times I wash his clothes, what pre-treatments I do. I'm gonna have to rebuild his entire wardrobe because he hasn't cared. Because I told him, I'm like, that's preventable had you not been throwing your clothes on the floor knowing the dogs be in your room, had you not been throwing the clothes on the bed. Y'all gonna see that here in a minute. Today's plan of action is to throw away his whole bedspread. 2, shave the dog down. I feel like once we get that out the way, that'll kind of rectify at least 85% of the problem, right? Lint roll his mattress. I have an extendo lint roller with a big long handle on it. We're gonna tackle this mattress because like I said, some days he sleep with a sheet on and some days he don't. I don't know why, I really couldn't tell you, but I'm pretty sure there's dog hair on his mattress as well. So we're gonna sweep, we're gonna vacuum, we're gonna mop real good a couple times with enzyme cleaner, okay, to get that smell out because it smells horrific in there. We got to get this room under control before I do any decorating in here, okay? And I still got that hazmat suit from the last video. Yeah, I was not playing. We putting that on today. But before we get started, y'all already know what I need y'all to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't ever miss any community tab posts because I do post updates there quite often. And so you are always notified when I post new videos on the channel. And last but not least, make sure you leave me some comments in the comment section down below and let me know what other kind of videos y'all want to see from me and how you feel about today's touchy topic. Mental health problems are real, and mental health awareness is definitely something that needs to be brought to light more, especially I feel in the Black community, especially when we're talking about kids, boys, who are going into black men. It's so much I could say about that, but we're gonna save that for another day, okay? But yeah, we're finna go ahead and get started. I'll catch y'all here in a few. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got my hazmat suit on. Y'all thought I was playing? I was not. So this video will span over a couple days. I figure I will go ahead and get a head start on getting some of his new furniture built so we can get the old ones out of here for trash pickup this coming Tuesday. And I really don't want to put them together in his room because I just feel like that kind of defeats the purpose. I'm finna go ahead and put them together in my office now. I am on the clock right now. Y'all know I love a good multitask, okay? Okay. So real quick, why the hell y'all ain't tell me how hot it was inside a hazmat suit? As you can see, I had to come out of mine real quick, cause just that little bit of work I was doing had me sweating like a damn hippo. Bruh.
You want some of this purr? You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth now, all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it.
Okay, y'all. So here is the culprit right here, the king shedder himself, Mr. Ocean Potion. As you can see, he looks pretty rough. Like I said, between all this overtime and me being sick for them 2 weeks, I definitely have not been up on my game, but it's okay, because we finna get my boy right. Y'all, so I have officially made it into Sun's room. He's already kind of started the process of cleaning and mildly deodorizing because I was on his ass the other day about it, and this video has been drug out long enough. I told you this has been over the span of like 3 or 4 weeks at this point, so some stuff he already started on. I know y'all wanted to see the hoarder situation, but you will not see that today. However, it is still a little nasty. So let me just give you an overview of what it looks like right now. So as you can see, he has already swept his floor. Clearly, it definitely still needs to be mopped. I did have him wipe down his walls and such. This is the chair that I was telling y'all that is severely dilapidated and needs to be replaced. He needs to wipe down his computer tower as well. There's his old desk. There's him. As you can see, his bed is atrocious, so we get ready to work on that now. And I did have him move his TV stand. Well, it was really 2 dressers put together, but whatever. He's already swept and cleaned behind that, so everything is good to go. I got the mop in here, extendo lint roller for the mattress, extra trash bags, and yeah, we finna get to work.
you doing? Just giving it up. What the hell? Girl that wham in a circle. Even if a little make a jump like a hurdle.
So y'all saw we took his dusty, dingy old bedspread off and we are completely throwing it away because it was infested with dog hair. I got him 4 brand new pillows for his bed. They did, however, come vacuum sealed. They gotta fluff up, so we're gonna throw them in the dryer while we finish up everything else.
Take me through that, take me through that. 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 Take me through that, take me through that.
What the hell? Girl that wham in a circle. Even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that wham in a circle. Even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that wham in a circle. Even if a little make a jump like a hurdle.
So we pretty much got everything done at this point, y'all. It's definitely looking cleaner and smelling so much better up in here. So the only thing I have left to do is put this rug down, and I definitely chewed him out about letting it get that bad in the first place. So hopefully we will not have to make another video like this in the future. That was definitely some work, and I'm tired, but he's happy. And that's what it's all about. Now let's see how this room turned out. So that concludes the video. I personally think the room turned out really cute. I'm kind of torn between whether or not I actually wanted y'all to see the initial state of the room before he started cleaning up, and being happy that you didn't get to see the initial state because it was really bad. And I know y'all like to tussle in the comments, and I didn't really want to deal with that. If you really pay attention to the state of his mattress and his sheets, it kind of gives you an idea of what it looked like in there. If you really pay attention to the floor before it was swept and mopped, you can definitely see traces of the dog feces and dog urine. It was pretty bad, y'all. Real quick, I also wanted to show y'all Ocean Potion. Doesn't he look so much better? So yeah, he got his hair cut. All the matting is gone. Ain't that right, Ocean Potion? Yeah. Ain't that right, buddy? So yeah, y'all, we're gonna end it here. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update on Ocean because I know I kind of ended the clip abruptly and y'all didn't get to see him. So this is what he is looking like, 10 times better, and he clearly feels a lot better because he chilling right now. So yeah, y'all, we finna head out. Before we go, y'all already know what we need you to do. We need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't ever miss, oh, thank you. So you don't ever miss any new uploads or updates in the Community Tab posts, because although I have been gone for a little bit, I do usually post there quite often. So y'all always know what's going on, okay? And last but not least, make sure you leave us some comments in the comment section down below and let us know how y'all feel about this room transformation, okay? All thoughts and opinions welcome, as long as they're not disrespectful. Please do remember that mental health matters. Everybody's mental health matters. Your mental health matters. So make sure you take care of that, okay? Obviously, my son had some sort of mental health crisis going on, and mama had to get him right. I'm feeling much better these days, and overtime is over as of the end of this week. So starting next week, I will be back to my regular posting schedule, guys. Super excited about that, because I miss filming for y'all, even though I don't necessarily enjoy the editing part, but that's a story for another day. Anyway, I got some reviews, promotions, and a couple Shein hauls coming up, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Like I say, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so y'all don't miss out. Me and Ocean Potion love y'all so much, and we will catch y'all in the next video. Say bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Bye, guys.